Hello there and welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark here from Mark A50 Photography. I'm just doing a wee quick review on the Veikk A50 graphics tablet. In the box you will get a graphics tablet, a batteryless pen stylus, 8 new nibs and a USB Type-C lead. So what does a landscape photographer primarily want with a graphics tablet? You know, to put it out there, it's never going to be the be all and end all. It's never going to fix everything in your workflow. But nod to Thomas Heaton for this one. I've looked at the Wacom tablets for a while, to be fair, and if I've said that wrong, do apologise, but they're £350 here in the UK. Now if you're using a Mac like me, it is pretty much in your Apple and system preferences. Windows pretty much the same. You go into your Wacom tablet and your first two buttons that you can map and change, which is on your actual pen itself. Here we go into mapping area. Do you want to control it with the full pen, which means the 10x4 part of it, you have to actually move your hand the whole way over from the 10x4, or you can use it like a mouse. When you click it like a mouse, it's much more like a mouse where it sits still whenever you lift it off. I actually like the pen, to be fair, because although you do have to reach a bit, it's a bit more like a touch screen. Here you can change your screen mapping to any screen you want, your left hand side mode or right hand if you are right handed or left handed. Put into the function buttons, which gives you the actual buttons itself. As you can see, you have 8 mappable buttons. Now here's your profile, so all is the first one. I have set up Lightroom to be the second one and Photoshop to be the third. You can actually set up then each one of the key buttons, the actual buttons down the left hand side of your tablet, to do whatever you want on each one of these. The other tab I've got it basically set up to be a mouse, and the other ones being to be in Lightroom and Photoshop specific things. So could I actually recommend this to anybody? And the answer is a resounding yes. From only having it for 48 hours, getting it set up was a breeze, to be fair. You just go onto the website, download the driver. Like, you can pick out so much wee individual details that you can't do with a mouse or a keyboard. And it's unbelievable how you can actually physically just draw a shadowed area and shadow that area.